Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change page size and orientation on Google Docs. Whether you're using a computer, Android, or iOS device, these steps are easy to follow. To make a Google document landscape on your computer, first, click on the File tab located at the top of the document. Then, click Page Setup. Under Apply To, you can choose Whole Document to apply your new orientation to the entire document or selected content to apply it to specific pages. Under Orientation, change your page orientation from Portrait to Landscape. Finally, click the blue OK button in the bottom right. For Android and iOS users, open the document you want to edit and press the three dots button at the top right. Then press Page Setup. Within Page Setup, press the first option at the top marked Orientation, then select Landscape to make your document landscape. Now, let's move on to changing the page size. To change your page size with the paper size setting on your computer, go into the File tab located at the top of the page, then Page Setup. Under Paper Size, you can select from various options like letter, tabloid, legal statement, executive, folio, A3, A4, A5, B4, and B5 for the size of your page. Click on the page size that fits your purpose best, then click the blue OK button in the bottom right. If you want a more customized page that lets you determine exactly how tall or wide your page is, you can use a third-party add-on like Page Sizer. To get started, open your document on your computer and click the Add-ons tab at the top. From the subsequent drop-down menu, click Get Add-ons. Look for an add-on called Page Sizer using the search bar in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Click the blue Install button, and a pop-up will say Get Ready to Install. Click Continue to log into your account. One last page will say Page Sizer wants access to your Google account. Click Allow here to grant the add-on access to your Google Docs. Head back to your document and click the Add-ons button at the top. Hover your cursor over Page Sizer, then click Set Page Size. From the Extended menu, this will open the Custom Page Size menu to customize your dimensions. In the Width field, you can customize the width of your document up to a maximum of 120 inches. In the Height field, you can customize how tall you want your document to be up to a maximum of 120 inches. For Android and iOS users, press the three dots button in the top right, then press Page Setup and Paper Size. In Paper Size, select your desired page size from the list. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.